Greetings to YouTube. Sorry about the video flood today, but I got a package in the mail today. It's for my birthday, and I want to open it. This is from my friend Skall, and it says, "Happy birthday from Skall." This is also from Cara, his fiancée. Apparently they forgot to put Cara's name on the package. Time to open up the package. Safety first. Alrighty. I'm assuming this object is the package. This is all just packaging. Alright. And I can reuse that box. I have to mail something to someone in the near future. Someone whose birthday is later this month. Come on. They certainly wrapped it well. I get points for that. Sorry about this. I'm down to the object in question. Tissue paper. It's a good sign, no more tape. Ooh. So here's the initial shot. I'm guessing it's a knife. Ooh, it is a knife. That, folks, is a flint-knapped blade. Oops, get you back in the shot there. Awesome. Because I don't have one of these. I've been wanting one. I just had never got around to getting one. This is really quite attractive. I'll give you the shot of the other side. This is probably artificial sinew wrapping. That would be my expectation. And this is an antler handle with a bear paw feature in the butt. This is awesome. Thank you, Skall. Thank you, Cara. And thank to all of my viewers who indulged watching me cut open a piece of plastic for far longer than I really should have. I appreciate getting the birthday gift.